studying human issues for almost 40 years. What encourages you to keep going and never give up?
As a young student, I lived in a remote village during the Cultural Revolution, a time when education was abandoned in China. I hardly had any access to scientific and technical knowledge. When I entered college in 1979, things had changed. Books were available in the library, and our teachers knew a lot. Soon, I was introduced to the mass energy formula of the special theory of relativity. Energy equals mass multiplied the square of the speed of light. According to this formula, the energy contained in a gram of a substance is equal to that of 20,000 tons of TNT. A gram is only the weight of one single peanut, yet 20,000 tons of TNT is enough to destroy a whole city. I also learned that a hydrogen bomb with a destructive force equivalent to 56 million tons of TNT was exploded in the Soviet Union. In fact, a nuclear weapon of even greater scale can both technically or theoretically be produced. This caused me to wonder, with such an overwhelming power, will scientific technology exterminate human beings someday? I thought it's well worth consideration. So I devoted myself to relevant literature on the matter. Soon, an idea occurred to me. Humans have been able to advance science and technology from its initial stages to its current sophistication in just over 2 centuries. With the Industrial Revolution in the 1750s marking a time of serious development, based upon my intuition regarding this advancement, science and technology have the power to destroy us. As a 17-year-old, was I correct in this regard? Its destruction by science and technology is millennia away. Then perhaps we needn't worry too much. It's a problem that future generations will solve. But what if it's looming? Is there any problem more important? Is there any crisis more worrying? So, will it happen? If it will, are we able to solve it, and how? That's what I feel is worth studying. One may find it hard to do something significant during their lifetime. So I made up my mind to devote my whole life to this issue, to thoroughly investigating and promoting my findings. And this has taken almost 40 years. As my investigation progresses, its severity and urgency occur to me more and more. I've long since viewed it as more than a career. It is one of my responsibilities, a responsibility shared by all people.